So, Mr. Elizondo, you have case G 4791701, charges expired registration. You were in court in April 1st, I believe it was, and indicated that you wish to plead not guilty and represent yourself, but you were not waiving a jury trial. So we set this for pretrial hearing. Court issued a pretrial order that was sent to both parties. I do not show that either side filed any motions or requests for subpoenas or request for jury instruction. Mr. Bishop, did the state file any?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Elizondo, did you file any?
Yes, I actually certified mailed it to y'all. I have the receipt right here.
When was it mailed?
It said you should have received it on the 1st of this month. It was mailed on 04/29/2025.
We don't have it.
Well, you should have received it on the 1st. I certified mailed it.
Do you have the green copy back?
I have it right here.
No, the signed that it was delivered.
I mean, I have a tracking number here, but I haven't tracked it. It just says y'all should have received it on the 1st.
Well, we have not received it. We have not received anything. And everything was supposed to be filed with the court no later than 7 days prior to the pretrial hearing. So if you were sending it in on the 29th, you were not getting it here within the 7 days. What's the tracking number?
It says it shows delivered on my side, but let me see. Let me pull it up. The tracking number is 95.
Let me read that back to you. Check and make sure I have this correct.
Yeah, that was correct though.
All right. Court is going to go into recess and look up the tracking number. Everyone stay logged in, but we're going to be in recess. All right, Mr. Elizondo, Mr. Bishop. So, Mr. Elizondo, I just had my court staff run that number through USPS tracking, and it does not show that it's been delivered. It still shows that it is in transit. Are you saying that you are looking at something that says it's delivered? Not something that's estimated. Are you looking at something, sir? You said this shows that it was delivered. What were you looking at?
Was estimated delivery date, but I mean, I can look up the tracking number on my side too.
Well, no, I have. I mean, you can look it up, but the court has. So that the court is taking note that it does not show that it has been delivered. And so, what motions were you filing, or what were you filing?
I was just trying to post bond, but I mean, I'm still going to proceed to declare not guilty, regardless if you got.
You don't need to. You said post bond. You don't have to post a bond. So was that just a bond you were sending in?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you cannot post a bond yourself. Okay, unless are you a licensed bondsman?
No.
Okay, so you have a promise to appear, and that's all you need to have at this time. You don't have to post any sort of a bond. So you weren't filing any motions. You were not filing a motion for discovery or any requested jury instructions or anything like that.
I was, but I can't remember what I filed, but I have the documents somewhere else. I don't have them on me right now.
Where would they be? Why do you not have them on you? Because if you thought that this is your pretrial hearing, this is where they were going to be heard.
Okay. I still wish to proceed not guilty. I don't need them to
No, sir,
proceed
stop,
anyways.
stop. We're not going to the plea at this time. I'm trying to confirm. I asked you, I stated that we hadn't received any motions, and then you said that you mailed them. We've not received that. Then you said to me it was a bond. So I'm trying to determine. You were just trying to file a bond, is that correct?
Yeah,
Okay. You did not have any written, you did not have any written motions or requests for anything, is that correct?
that's correct.
Okay, so then, since you don't have to post a bond because you have a promise to appear, we can go ahead and set this for jury trial. So jury trials will be during the day. We'll start at 9 a.m. Parties are to be here at 8:30. The veneer panel will be here at 9, and we'll have the trial. So the first date that we have is August 28th, which is a Thursday at 9 a.m. All right, so Mr. Elizondo, we're gonna set this for trial Thursday, August 28th. You need to be here at 8:30. This will be in person in the courtroom.
That's
If
fine.
you are planning to call any witnesses, you need to have them here, present, to be sworn in and able to testify. Understand?
Got it.
Okay, do you have any questions about this?
No, well, are you gonna send me this information via email?
We're gonna send you a reset notice, yes, yes.
Make sure that email is correct, because today I received the email saying this court hearing was gonna be at 6 AM, and I
Sir,
was present,
Sir,
and it was 6
I
PM,
apologize, there
so-
was a typo. I do know that you also received numerous communications from the court that said 6 PM. And when I set you for this hearing, I told you it was at 6 PM. So
Still.
you were advised that by the judge, and we have copies of emails and documents that were
And
sent.
make sure that my
Sir,
name-
Mr. Elizondo, do not speak to the court that way. You may make a request, but do not speak to a judge and tell them to make sure to do something. Do you understand me, sir?
Yes,
All right. You are set for jury trial on August 28th at 8:30 in the morning. The veneer panel will be here at 9. You'll have an opportunity to ask questions of the veneer panel, make any strikes that you wish to have. We will have the trial on August 28th. Make sure you have any witnesses here, any evidence that you're wishing to present, have it here and marked and ready to be admitted. All right. We will send reset notice, setting notice to the same email address that we've sent the other notices to. Mr. Bishop, is there anything that the state needs to put on the record at this time?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Elizondo, if you don't have any further questions, then you are going to be released. We'll see you back here in person on August 28th at 8:30 a.m. All right, you're released at this time.